Hi, I am Agnes. I am the head of logistics and FIB services in Bahrain. I joined the company in 2010. I started my career in the procurement department in Dubai in 2010. In 2015, I handled both the logistics and purchasing. In 2017, I was asked to join the team in Bahrain, and I permanently moved on 2019 and become the head of logistics for FIB services group. My main responsibility is to oversee the whole logistics operation of the company. This includes the distribution and storage of goods. I manage 3 people, and we are mainly on the operation side. We are working closely with back office in France, where most of the spare parts are coming from, and other companies in the group that FSG is representing in the Middle East. What I love about my job is the high level of collaboration between people of different culture. Every day is a challenge. As a head of logistics, you should not lose your focus. You should know your market and be able to learn to adapt easily on whatever situation that is being presented in front of you. Working with FIBs, you don't just gain colleagues, you gain a family. It feels great to be part of a team that works towards the same goal. The company encourages us to bring forward ideas, and everybody is very supportive. In a working environment which is mainly dominated by men, I am very proud of every woman who is making their name in the industry.